check out this 2006 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: remote keyless front windows down, dual stage front seat frontal airbags, 8-way power driver seat, remote keyless entry system, dual exhaust tips, 60/40 split folding rear seat backs with lock and key operated windows up down. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.